guys, hello everyone, glad to see you on the channel once again, and today is a daily video for trading on binary options on the Pocket Option Broker platform. And as you've already could understand, the video is dedicated to MACD indicator today, and here are in fact the settings that you should set in order to repeat the strategy using this indicator and get your profit on it. So guys, please copy the settings and let's get started. So guys, I will open the first deal on this asset. Now I'm opening a position for increase, and I will explain to you the reason for opening this deal because I'm opening it using MACD indicator. So look, what you should pay attention to when opening a position, the increase in volumes. So if you see that each volume is higher than the previous one, and in this case the volumes are drawn in green, the volumes are pressed to the zero mark, and at some point a breakthrough will occur here. When a breakthrough occurs, it will only confirm the fact that there has been a reversal movement on the chart, and we have opened, for example, a deal to increase and did it correctly. And also look closely at the intersection of moving averages. As soon as an intersection of two moving averages also occurs, this will also confirm the fact that the trend has continued, or the continuation of the trend will begin, and you will be able to earn. And here I opened the deal with a slight lead, so I saw there is an increase in volume proceeding, and each one is higher than the previous one, and also there is a narrowing of two moving averages. So I was able to foresee this since experience allows it, and you try to wait for intersections of moving averages and the zero mark. Very important, guys. So I hope the principle of working with this indicator is clear to you, and let's continue trading and find other illustrative examples. So the next deal will be opened on this asset, and here our position will already be sell. The price reversal occurs here at the maximum, and point attention, the price has reached its peak. And look, we also note do not forget to look at the MACD indicator, and there is a narrowing of two moving averages. Green in this case is above the red one, and it indicates the trend on the chart was upward, and we can clearly see this. We also see after the price has reached the maximum, we started the formation of red volumes. Also, each one was lower than the previous one. There is a squeeze to the zero mark, and accordingly, here most likely a downward continuation will happen, and we will be able to earn. Literally 15 seconds remains, and we're waiting for the result. So guys, our next deal, another one, has come to the closure, and here we got a net profit. An excellent result. We move to the next asset. So guys, the next deal will be opened on this asset, and here of course the percentage yield is not very high, but nevertheless, as for me, the signal is good. Therefore, I open a position here for a decrease at this point, and let me explain the reason. Look, the reason is very simple. We have a decrease in volumes. So there is squeeze to the zero mark, and here in general the price trend was downward. Then we see a corrective movement, a retracing movement, and after the retracement we see a continuation of the most likely downtrend. So either the price will approach this level or break it through and go further. Therefore, literally 30 seconds left, and we're waiting for the result. So another deal has come to the closure, and here we've got a net profit of $59, a good result. We're moving to the next asset, looking for the new case. So guys, the next deal will be opened on this asset. The position will be to buy, and I open in this point for $300. First of all, we have an upward trend here, and the movement was very good, very impulsive candles. We look at the price volumes on MACD indicator. Each volume is higher than the previous one. There is a divergence of two moving averages. As you can see, the green moving average is higher than the red one, and accordingly, it indicates the trend is upward, and most likely it will be continued. Therefore, we can safely open a deal here and wait for the result. Look at the huge green candle is formed after opening our position, guys. I think the result is obvious here. So let's wait for these 20 seconds and record it. So here comes another amazing result $276 of net profit, and let's continue trading, looking for the new case. So guys, the next deal will be opened on this asset. As a currency pair is US dollar, Canadian dollar. Position to sell for $100 is opened, modest deal, and the percentage yield is 56%. We will get a very small profit, but this deal is as simple as possible because here, first of all, we already have a downward movement. Secondly, we look at the monthly indicator, there is a decrease in volumes and each one is lower than the previous one, and there is a narrowing of two moving averages. So it means that we will most likely have a global change in trend here, and probably the price will reach the next support zone approximately here. And it has somewhere to fall, and for this reason we opened a position here with great confidence as soon as we saw this situation. So literally 10 seconds left, and here we fixate a small profit, $56, but nevertheless it is already pleasant. And here we will finish our trading. My dear friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. A very simple trading session, very easy to work with MACD indicator, and if you learn to read it, your profits will turn 10 times bigger. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye, see you soon.